Hi everyone, today I am doing a tutorial on how to do air layering, and I'm doing mine on a fruit tree in a forest, specifically a wild apple tree, but you can do this on any tree and some shrubs and bushes as well. It's a handy way to clone some plants and get the same type of plant with exactly the same characteristics. Here's where I found my apple tree, and I will do my air layering on this apple tree. I cut a layer for the bark off in a certain area, just underneath a node, which is ideal, although it's not necessary. I made two small rings of cuts at the top and the bottom of where I wanted my cut to be, and then drew a line down them with the knife. The bark slipped off quite easily thanks to the flow of sap, and this is the first step in our air layering to remove the bark just underneath a node. I was doing multiple cuttings at once, so this is off a different cutting. After you have done the bark removal, you have to scratch the barkless area with the knife a bit so you can remove the cambium layer. This stops food from getting to that area of the plant, and that means your air layering will form better. This is not necessary, but a really good step. I have applied a rooting agent, and a rooting agent is something that helps the roots grow. It's not necessary, but it's very helpful. My one is homemade with honey and cinnamon, although you can use any rooting agent and you can either buy it online or make it at home from things such as apple cider vinegar. Finally, I wrapped this air layer around this bark with some compost in a bag, and I sealed it up properly with some tape. This compost is slightly wet and most soil mixes will work, but I used compost here, which is a bit wet. Make sure it's definitely wet. In a month we'll have to see if the roots have been made or not. We'll check back in a month and I'll probably make a video to see how it's going on. I don't need to touch it or water it, just leave it now. Thank you for watching, and in a month or two there'll probably be a video showing the results.